Now beta from 4, if you in unit place you have to subtract 4 from 4 5. So it is not possible. 4 is less than 5. Okay, and for subtraction the top number should be always greater. So what you will do, take one carry from here. So what it will be, 14 it will become. क्या बन जाएगा ये 14, and 14 minus 5. Okay, how much it will be, 9. 9 will remain here. Now here 7, you have taken 1 as carry, you have given 1 as carry. So what it will remain here, 7 minus 1 as 6. 7 minus 1 as 6. So from 6 8 cannot be subtracted. So take 1 carry from here. So what it will be become, see that, 16. So what it will become, 16. And here 5 was there, 1 you have taken out. So what will remain here, 4. What will remain here, 4. Okay, now see that. minus 8. 16 minus 8 will be 8. 16 minus 8 will be 8. Okay, and here 4 minus 2, not 5. Now you are having only 4. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. So 289 will be your answer. Okay, now move to the next. See that B part. 1 minus 4. Unit place 1. See that 1 is smaller than 4. So subtraction is not possible. So you will take out 1 from here. Borrow you will take from tens place. So what it will become? 1, 1 and 1. It becomes 11. So here you have given it 1 as borrow. So you just cut and write 3 here. Here 3 it will become. Okay. And from here 3 minus 6 is not possible. So again what you will do, you have to take borrow from here, 1 as borrow. So what it will be, 13. In tens place 1 will come. So it will become 13. Okay, and here you have given 1 as borrow. So here it will be 6. Now you can do the subtraction easily. 11 minus 4, 7. Okay, and here 13. 13 minus 6, 7. And here 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. So 277 will be your answer. Now move to the next one. See that now. 3 minus 6 is not possible. If a smaller number will be at the top, so subtraction will not be possible. So what you will do? Cut it. Take 1 as carry. Here write 3 here, and from this 2 you will take 1 as carry. Here it will remain 1. Okay, and 1 will come here on the tens place. So it will become 13. Now 2 minus 1, 1 is left with you, and from 1 4 cannot be subtracted. So you just take 1 carry from here. So it will become 11. Okay, no, it will not go, means the number whatever you will take as a carry, it will go on the tens place. Okay, so it will become 11. And here 5 only single number is there, further number is not are on the in this left side. So so what you will do here, 4. Okay, it will become 4 here. So 11 minus 4, first 13 minus 6, 7. 13 minus 6, 7. 11 minus 4, 7. Okay, and 4 minus 1, because now these are, means we have cancelled these numbers, and what are the right numbers now we have written at the top. 4 minus 1, 3. So 377 will be your answer. One more part I am doing, so that the rest of the part you will do yourself. So see that beta. 2 minus 4, again a smaller number is at the top. What you will do? Write 2 here, 2 here, or in here you can write 2, and from here you will tens place you will carry 1. So it will become 12. Okay, here you have given 1 as carry. So 6 minus 1, how much left with you? 5. And 5 minus 7 is also not possible. So you will take for the tens place, you will carry 1 here. Okay, and now it will not 4, it will remain as 3. Okay, and now it is 12. 12 minus 4 is possible, so it will become 8. Now here it will be 15. 15 minus 7 is also 8. Okay, and now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So in this way you will get D part as also answer as 188. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more parts are there. So you, along with the help of your parents, slowly till that our next class will come, up to there I will teach you. You will complete up to there. Okay, means exercise part only you will do in your copy, and the practice part sometimes one or means write in previous page, some means practice questions was given to you, those you will perform only in your book. Only where I am mentioning the exercise, those pages you will do in your copy also by mentioning subtraction chapter number 3. Okay, now come to the next one more exercise 3.4. and what is that? Subtraction of a 4-digit number from a 4-digit number without borrowing. Means simple subtraction are there. No problem beta. In simple subtraction everybody can do. See that 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 what it will be? 8 minus 6 is 2. कितना आएगा 8 में से 6 करके? 2. Again 8 minus 6 it will be 2. Again 8 minus 6 will be as 2. Okay, and 8 minus 7 is as 1. So what will be your answer? 1222. I have it is on page number beta, page number 58. Page number, it is on page number 58 as exercise 3.4. Okay, so this is exercise. I have given it number, so you will do this first, completing in your book and then complete it in your copy also. Okay, now see that in unit place 9 is there. See that if the upper numbers are greater, then easily without borrowing we can do the subtraction. And in previous one, why we were taking borrow? Because you have seen that the upper numbers were smaller than the lower numbers. Okay, the numbers were given under those numbers, those were the greater and the upper numbers were smaller. So in this case we are taking borrow. Okay, now come to the next second part. 9 minus 7, 1. So these are very simple. Children will enjoy this. So I am not doing only 2 parts I am going to do. Then rest of the part you will do yourself. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 7 minus 5 as 2. And 6 minus 4 as 2. So in this way you just, one more part I am doing. Okay, one more part I am doing. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 2 minus 0 as 2. So simple subtractions are there. So you will perform the rest of the part. So up to which page number? Up to page number 58 and exercise 3.4. Okay, 3.4. Only few questions are left. Most of them means half of the questions I have done, and rest of the questions you will do yourself, and not in one day. Slowly you can do, till that we can conduct the next class. Okay, so many days we have there. Maybe your next class will be on I hope that maybe on Friday. So till Friday you will have lot of time to do. So slowly you can do your work, and as your work will be completed, you will post your work in your classroom group. So in this way, when till here you will perform your work, and again we will meet in the next class. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.